When you invest more, you expect more. That's not happening with recovery infrastructure. The spending is going up, but the returns are declining. Restores take longer. Incidents are harder to recover from, and the cost of downtime keeps increasing. It's not a budget problem. It's the reality of expecting legacy recovery options to meet modern recovery needs. Legacy backup systems were built for a simpler environment. Smaller data volumes. One team managing recovery from start to finish. That's not most organizations anymore. Data is growing exponentially. Workloads are spread across more environments. And with modern ransomware, security incidents are now the leading cause of outages. As a result, recovery now requires infrastructure, security, and application teams working together. And restoring data isn't enough. You also need to verify the data is clean before anything goes back online. Most legacy architectures weren't built for that step. So, what does modern recovery actually require? First, data tiering. Not every workload should be valued the same. So keep high priority data on fast local infrastructure and move long-term retention to lower cost tiers. Pay for speed where speed matters. Pay for scale where scale matters. Second, speed. Every hour of downtime has a cost. Flash shortens the recovery window. Spinning disk extends it. Third, unified operations. When multiple teams are working from multiple tools, recovery slows down. A unified hybrid architecture means less manual effort, shared context, and faster recovery. And fourth, cyber recovery infrastructure with an isolated clean room to help verify workloads before anything goes back to production. Without one, you risk bringing the problem back with you. The gap between what organizations spend on recovery and what they actually get is real. It's not getting smaller on its own, and it won't close by spending more on the architecture that created it. To learn more about how VMware vSAN and Advanced Cyber Compliance deliver on these modern recovery needs, check out the 451 research paper. You can't recover faster than your infrastructure allows.